Guys, welcome back to my channel again. I'm super happy I'm back. I was sick for 5 days with the flu and it sucked so bad. Oh my God, I can never go back again. Never back again to doing that. That's why I'm going to be getting my flu shot every year now. So go get it, guys. But anyway, we're not going to be talking about flu shots. We're going to be talking about how to get ready with me and how I do my foundation and everything. Basically, we're going to go way back into our moisturizing and primer, what I use, and just, going to the beginning to the end. So let's get to it, guys. Get ready, grab some coffee, because we are going to be in with our full coverage makeup. So anyway, see you guys. Okay, guys, so we're going to moisturize our face. I'm going to be using the Cetaphil Moisturizing Lotion. This is the best lotion I've used. I love it so much. It hydrates and locks in that moisture once I use my silicone-based primer, since it does tend to dry my skin, so it really helps. So I'm going to be using my Professional from Benefit and just applying that all over my skin and just pressing it in the areas I really want it to fill in where my pores are. Now I'm going to be using my secret one. It is the LA Girl Pro Concealer. It's the corrector. So I'm going to be correcting my under eyes and a few of the acne scars. Yes, this helps actually hide everything you want. So now I'm going to be using my foundation. I'm applying that very, very, very carefully, because if you tend to blend like really quick, you will be looking like an Oompa Loompa mixed with an orange. It's just not cute. So just FYI, just be careful and blend when you are going to be using a orange corrector. Okay, so just blend very, 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 very carefully. Okay, now I'm going to be grabbing my Shape Tape concealer and just concealing my under eyes. Now I'm going to be grabbing my MAC Pro Longwear powder and just applying that all over my face. After that, I'm going to be grabbing my RCMA powder and start baking my under eyes. So I'm going to be grabbing a palette. I'm thinking of taking probably NORVINA, since I haven't been using it lately. Yes, it looks so bad. Oh my God. But anyway, I'm going to be using this color base and just applying that all over my lid. Now I'm going to be grabbing the color Love and just applying that above the crease and just blending. Now I'm going to be grabbing this purple shade called Soul and just applying that and deepening the crease and the outer just a little bit. Now I'm going to be blending those colors. Now I'm going to be grabbing the color Summer, this dark gold shade, and just applying that right on the lid. Now we're going back again with the color Soul and just applying that onto our lower lash line. Now I'm going to be eyelining my eyes with the e.l.f. eyeliner. Now we're going to add some mascara. Now I'm going to be grabbing my Tarte clay paint and just eyelining my eyes. Now I'm grabbing some lashes. I'm just going to be popping those in. Okay, now we're going to be taking off all that setting powder and we're going to be applying some bronzer and highlight. I'm going to be grabbing my Wet n Wild lipstick. It's called the Mauve Out of Here. Okay guys, so I'm going to be doing my hair off camera and I'll see you guys in a minute. My hair, I just did a little poof in here and there, you know. But I did forget to tell you guys I did use the All Nighter setting spray. That is my top number one. I love it. It's just amazing. It just sets my foundation in place and it does not move whatsoever. So I highly recommend that. And yeah, I enjoy doing this video for you guys. This is just the everyday look I always do. You know, nothing changes except like my foundation or setting spray. Like I'll just use this one for during the week. But basically everything, how to get that full foundation coverage is this baby. This helps. It eliminates everything you want, and just, you know, you just have to have like a really good foundation. And you know, like I said, I highly recommend my Pro Longwear MAC powder just as a setting, just to set that in place. And this baby, basically it is what I use just to have a full coverage look. So I highly recommend all these steps for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And yeah, just comment down below anything you guys want to see for next videos upcoming, you know, give me some ideas. But yeah, I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to push that notification for my next videos. But yeah, anyway, I'll see you guys on my next video. I hope you guys have a great day. Love you guys. Bye.